Hey imaginary friend, my name is Lee and I'm sorry for the super marketing heavy clickbaity kind of title, but hey, you clicked it and it's not really clickbait if it's real, right? Today I want to talk about a platform that a lot of people are sleeping on. A single platform that is actually responsible for over 50% of the traffic that I get to my design studio website. A single platform that is actually easy and fun to use and doesn't give me extra stress. So no, it is not Instagram. If you're an entrepreneur or online business owner, then I have absolutely no doubt that you're very familiar with the concept of social media marketing. But that is not what I'm going to be talking about today, okay? Quite frankly, I'm a little bit sick of Instagram and I'm actually thinking about quitting it completely. I might make a video about that later, so subscribe if you are interested in that. But back to the point, today I am actually not going to be talking about social media marketing. I want to talk to you about Pinterest. Now, I feel like you might have just gone,
Ugh, Pinterest? Really? The place that I go to look for nail art inspiration? How is that supposed to help my business?
or you might be thinking,
I don't have time to add a whole other marketing platform to my marketing strategy. It is already too much.
listen, babe, I got you. Pinterest is the best. Let me tell you why, okay? I have a whole list. My number one favorite thing about my love Pinterest is that it doesn't make me feel shitty. Now, that might sound kind of weird, but let me elaborate, okay? I am actually the type of person that is unfortunately very susceptible to comparing myself to others online. It's a real problem, and I know that it's a problem that a lot of you might face as well. And scrolling through Instagram often leaves me feeling FOMO or like I'm falling behind. You know, other designers are fully booked out with tons of clients. Other designers are launching new things all the time. Other designers are making more money than me. All of that. It is not fun. Pinterest, on the other hand, makes me feel inspired. It's more about creative ideas and less about focusing on specific people. And that's one of the things that I love about it. There's no one for me to compare myself to and, no way for me to feel like I'm falling behind because it honestly as a platform just feels a little less personal. And that's an important thing to understand about Pinterest. Pinterest is not a social media platform. It is a search engine. So it's really great for driving traffic, but I'm not saying that you should completely abandon social media. Social media is still a really great way to connect with your audience on a more personal level. But anyway, back to what I love about Pinterest. Pinterest is not about clout or vanity metrics. It's not about followers or likes or even comments. Your follower count does not even matter. And that is actually one of my favorite things about it. That's one of the things I love. As a small creator, you actually have a fair chance of your work being seen, even if you're new and you don't have a large audience yet. If you're creating high quality content that people are actually looking for, you don't really have to worry about being completely buried by, other more popular accounts. As a platform, Pinterest is super focused around discovering new ideas. It's literally a search engine, and their algorithm works really well to actually connect your content with people who will be interested in it. And as a business owner, that is so valuable. You can create new opportunities for the right people to discover your business with Pinterest. People literally go to Pinterest when they're planning to buy something or change their life in some way. They're looking for something and they have their wallets in their hands. If someone is scrolling through an app just out of boredom or to catch up with their friends, they're not really in a mindset where they're primed to be super open and receptive to your marketing efforts. But on Pinterest, people are actually expecting to see brands promoting their products and services. They're actually searching for it. Like literally, they're looking for products to buy. They're looking for people to teach them how to level up their lives. One of my favorite things about Pinterest is that you can be inconsistent and still grow your reach. You don't have to have a super complicated content calendar and a strict posting schedule. I know some people freaking love social media marketing, but I am not one of them, okay? I'm a projector. If you're familiar with human design, you know that that means I do not have the sacral energy to be posting things multiple times a week. I just don't have that energy, okay? And I also have ADHD. I get overwhelmed and distracted very easily, and I need lots of breaks, and I am not consistent. Instagram does not love people like me. But my girl Pinterest, on the other hand, values quality over quantity, and content over there is evergreen. That means that you can have a really great pin from years ago that can still drive traffic to your business today. Now, I really don't want to turn this video into Instagram versus Pinterest, okay? That is not what this is, because Instagram is social media, Pinterest is a search engine. They're completely different things. But I do want to ask you, okay? Do your Instagram posts from years ago continue to drive traffic to your business today? Do your Instagram posts from even 1 month ago continue to drive traffic to your business? I have a pin from September of 2021, so that was 6 months ago, and that one pin still gets around 2,000 views on a daily basis. 6 months later. That is the value of evergreen content. And I'm not even a Pinterest expert, okay? That's the point that I want to get across. I pin really casually, like maybe once or twice a week. And there are other online marketers and, business experts who get much, much bigger numbers than me. But my point is that you can still have really good results with inconsistent effort if you're creating quality content that people are actually searching for and actually care about. And another amazing thing that I love about Pinterest is that you don't even have to create new content, especially if you're just starting out and testing to see if Pinterest would work for your business. You don't have to make anything new. You can pin content that you already have creative. Pin your Instagram posts, pin your product images, pin screenshots from your website. One of my most popular pins that has over 21,000 impressions and, more importantly, has actually resulted in paying clients, it is literally just a screenshot of my website. And it's honestly not even that good. It's an old version of my website. I've updated my website since this was posted, and it looks a whole lot nicer now, but that is besides the point. I am not a full-time marketing expert. That is not what I do. And so when I'm actually busy working with clients or doing a creative project, I don't always have time to create extra content specifically for social media. And that's what a lot of business owners do for Instagram. They're creating extra things specifically for that platform. So what I love about Pinterest is that you don't have to create anything extra if you don't want to. You can just share what you're already creating. And that's probably my favorite thing about it. Okay, that is all I have for you today. I just really wanted to talk about Pinterest because it honestly feels like not a lot of small business owners are really using it. It's not a priority, and there's a lot of talk about social media platforms and social media marketing, but search engine-based marketing is extremely valuable as well. And I do want a lot of, new creative entrepreneurs who are getting into business to know that there are other options. If you're an introvert like me, if you don't have the energy for constantly posting on social media like me, there are other things that you can do to market your business. Pinterest is my personal favorite platform for marketing, and it has actually helped me to attract dream clients to my design business. And it's actually fun to use. It's not super stressful and overwhelming. So if you're an entrepreneur, if you run a creative business and you're not already using Pinterest, I would love for you to comment down below and let me know why not. Or let me know if you have questions about how to actually grow on Pinterest. I might do a follow-up video to this one where I talk about actual strategies and tools that I use to get a good reach on Pinterest. So, subscribe if you're interested in that. But for now, good day, It was so lovely talking to you. If you watched all the way to this point, we're best friends now. Bye, best friend.